Improper recoat times. Now, every paint is slightly different. There's a lot of different products out there. And on the back of every can, they have instructions on how to recoat, dry times, cure times, all sorts of information. Not every painter knows and reads each can and label. They just think, oh, it's all the same, but it's not. Improper recoat times can be an issue with the curing of the paint, and therefore, if you put too many coats on too fast, you can create an issue, an adhesion issue, a bonding issue, what they call surfactant leaching. The detergents come out of it and it doesn't dry properly. That's for another video. Another issue that I've found is what they call substrate adhesion failure. And so what you see is that a lot of acrylic paints nowadays are far superior than the paints of the past. It's usually houses that I see that are over 50 years old. They've had multiple paint coatings in 50 years, multiple layers of paint. The new coating goes on, and because it's far superior, it grabs on and it pulls. The sun sometimes heats it up, turns into a bubble, it pulls away. And if you pop that bubble, you'll find that there's wood fibers on the back. And if you look at the hole that it came out, it's bare wood. That's a substrate adhesion problem. It's very common in older houses, especially character and heritage houses.